Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect Miss Anita MPD as a lecturer in English for scientific work. In this special occasion, I am Dini Karwati, a student of Siliwangi Institute of Teacher and Science of Education, Program Faculty of Language Education, to present about my article with the title Learning to Write Procedure Text Using Project-Based Learning Method with Canva Media Assistant for Junior High School. Well, my article consists of third chapter. First, title. Second, introduction or contains recent or interesting things from the title I took. Third, literature review. Let's move on to introduction or contents reason of interesting thing from the title I took. All skills in Indonesian are very important to master. However, writing skill must be recognized as a very different activity when compared to listening, reading, and speaking skill. Writing ability is a productive ability. Writing ability is able to express and develop thoughts and ideas in orderly, logical, and systematic writing structure, so that it is easily understood and captured by readers and listeners. Paramita 2017 states that writing is a process, namely the process of pouring ideas into writing language, which in practice in the writing process it manifests in several stages that form a more complete system. Learning procedure text can train students to know the right way to do something. Based on the result of interview, there were several difficult experiences by students at MTS Negeri 6 Cianjur, including 1. To improve student writing skill. 2. Writing procedure text is still less desirable. 3. Lack of mastery of technology. 4. Conventional method of lecture are still applied in the learning process. Okay. Let's move on to literature review. 1. Research Amil Putri. Model project-based learning in writing procedure text to improve critical thinking skill of junior high school student. 2. Research Nurjana, learning to write procedure text using the picture and picture method in class 9. 3. Research Widya Stuti, use of Canva Media in procedure text material. Let's move on to literature review. 1. Research Amil Putri. In his journal entitled Model Project-Based Learning in Writing Procedure Text to Improve Critical Thinking Skill for Junior High School Student, Sariputra National Junior High School, Jambi City, to improve critical thinking skill. The method used in this research is qualitative approach with a phenomenological type of research. The data obtained are in the form of how teachers design, implement, and evaluate learning using the project-based learning model. Based on the research result, the learning process, the procedure text using the project-based learning model can be said to be successful because the learning applied is in accordance with the syntax or stage of the exciting project-based learning model. Relevance of research Amil Putri with research conducted by research is a topic of discussion. The lesson discussed in Amil Putri research and the research that the research did was learning to write procedure text using the project-based learning model. 2. Research Nurjana. In his journal entitled Learning to Write Procedure Text Using the Picture and Picture Method in Class 11. This research is motivated by the extent of data from the evaluation results on student writing skill in class 11, which tend to be low. The purpose of this study is to determine the student writing process using the picture and picture method. and to find out the difference in the result of learning to write procedural text using the picture and picture method. In the learning process, writing skills do not appear instantly, but must take guidance and practice. So there needs to be a change in learning that's usually done by changing the learning process. In this study, the method used is the free experimental design method with the one group pre-test post-test design approach. The relevance of the research Nurjana with the research conducted by the research is the topic of learning discussed in Nurjana. Research and the research that the research is doing is learning to write procedural text. The difference between the research Nurjana and the research that the research did with Nurjana research using the picture and picture method in class 11. Meanwhile, in the research conducted by research using the project-based learning method with the help of Canva Media for class 8 students. 3. Research Widya Stuti in his journal entitled Use of Canva Media in Procedural Text Material. This study aims to create an attractive and practical media as a medium for learning Indonesian language and literature. The method used in the research is problem-based learning method. In the process of learning procedural text with Canva Media, which makes a student more interested in learning process activity. Procedural text is text that describes the sequence of steps in which the job is done, relates to what is done, how to do it, when to do it, where to do it, and how does it. With diverse and attractive design, making the learning process less boring by using the Canva application. Teacher can teach knowledge, creativity, and skill that will be acquired for students, so that this media can also be used in various areas of life. Canva Media is one of the solutions offered as an innovative learning media. Canva Media can be a fun medium because students are use interesting feature and making procedural text. The result of this research is the successful use of interesting and practical Canva Media. The relevance of research Widya Stuti with research conducted by the researchers in the learning media used to write procedural text, namely Canva Media. The difference between the research Widya Stuti with the research that the researchers did was in Widya Stuti research using the problem-based learning method. Meanwhile, in the research conducted by researchers using the project-based learning method with the help of Canva Media for junior high school or for class 8 students. That's all I can say. More or less, I'm sorry. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.